What is up, guys? Gideon here. Welcome back, and today we're going to be taking a look at Linux Mint 19. Once again, last time we looked at Linux Mint 19 with the Mate desktop. This time we're going to be taking a look at it with the Cinnamon desktop. So as usual, we'll run through all the setup procedures. So Linux Mint 19 Cinnamon, and let's say it's Linux and Linux Mint 19 Cinnamon, and of course we'll give it to 16 gigabytes, and we want to give it 2 cores and 2 gigabytes of RAM because that is what it will get. There we go, finish. Now we're going to power on this virtual machine and let it start running. We'll come back after I am done installing, since you've seen this process several times now. Alright, and we're back. So, we don't want to see this dialog during startup, of course. We know how to use Linux Mint. We're going to say I finished installing and get these VMware tools installed as usual. So let's see if we can get this. It's not here. Install VMware tools. There we go. So what we want to do, oh, that's not what we want to do. We want to open this. Okay, and then we want to do tar what is it? ZXVF. Right, so we'll just take a look inside VMware tools, and there we go. Yes, I'd like everything to stay the defaults as always. Nothing ever changes. Yes to everything. Something has failed once again. Alright. We'll come back right after it's installed. Alright, theoretically this should be good enough now. So if we say view auto size, let's see. And it's failing again. VMware tools. Oh, is it not VMware tools? It is VMware toolbox. Is it not toolbox? No, it's toolbox. Unless I'm a bit crazy. What happened last time? How did I get it working last time? That is a very good question. Be right back. Let me try this one more time. Let's try this one more time. Be right back. Hi guys, we're back. Turns out all I had to do was run VMware user. And now we are back in business. We are taking a look at Linux Mint 19 Cinnamon. With the Cinnamon desktop. So we take a look. I mean, I'm sure all the programs are the same. It does have the same icon pack and the same theme. So looks like there's some artifacting going on here. But once again, it looks like we are running with some kind of file browser. Yes, whatever file browser this is, we can take a look about. Nemo. So the Nemo file browser seems like it comes included on both the Linux Mint Mate desktop and the Cinnamon desktop, and it is the same for both of them, it appears to be. So if I open, like, say, Firefox, I would expect it to be approximately the same. It does look like there are more options over here. It looks about the same, honestly, with the same theme, except this has a different way of looking for programs to start. It's got this animation. I think I like Mate better because Mate has no animation and therefore is snappier. I'm sure such things are obviously disableable. Looks like we can get dark themes. Looks like these are all options. Control, we can get dark buttons, black cursor, and well, we can make it look like Cinnamon or Linux Mint. So if we open okay, so that's default, and there's Linux Mint. It's probably Mint Y dark, minty dark. Your cache is out of date. Would you like to update it now? The answer is no. I am not interested in such a thing. We're just looking at taking a look here, so we're not going to be using it for too long. So it looks like these buttons all work as expected. If I were to drag and drop it, do I have to hold it once again? No. Oh, here we go. Oh, nope. So once again, it looks like I have to hold it down, which is unfortunate, but that is fine. It is better than nothing. Firefox does appear to be faster on this edition of Linux Mint. I don't know why, but if I simply just go to, for example, say duckduckgo.com, it does appear to load faster. Definitely faster than Ubuntu, so to say that I am not using Ubuntu is very easy. I do not think I want to use Ubuntu. If I just say, if I look up my own name, looks like we're going to get some results, as usual, just like my YouTube, my Twitter, and my website. This probably isn't me. I don't use Facebook. That's probably not me either. But yeah, you get some results of my websites, I guess. Looks like there's things called desklets. They look like maybe these icons down here. If I say clock desklet, alright, launcher desklet. If we say add, let's, oh, okay, that's not what I intended to do, but it, oh no, I don't want to download anything. There's also applets, so that looks like, oh, these icons over here. So if I simply say, for example, click or hover to activate the Expo view. So if we, oh, enable this, here we go, Expo. So it appears Expo is just a multi-desktop view. Looks fine, honestly. I don't see anything special about it, although it does work and the animations are very smooth, so I would give thumbs up for that. Of course, I expect all the other programs to work just as normal. If I take a screenshot, looks like this is near instant, unlike Ubuntu, so that's also nice. If we were to write and run a quick Python program, oh, something happened there, I don't know what, we could just say nano test. So if we just said for x in range 0 to 10, print x, looks about right. I mean, does the job. Looks fine. I can't complain about its use. We could also test the colors. So if we went back, I mean, int x equals 4. I mean, it doesn't look like the. It does highlight. I mean, say import. That's blue. So I guess keywords are blue. Sure. It's not something that's too big of a deal to me, so I don't know exactly what I would use it for. I mean, of course, the point of installing Linux on my computer would be to use it as a development environment, so I only care about the programming. I'm not going to be playing video games or anything like that. That's why it's running in a virtual machine. So I have no concern whatsoever on whether or not this will run well. It does look like it comes with some nice wallpapers, some of which don't load very quickly. There we go. I mean, it looks nice. It reminds me of a sleek laptop. I think that's the theme they're trying to go with here for Linux Mint. It's very snappy, very fast. I do like it. I think I would consider using it for my virtual machine in the future. That's definitely for sure. It's definitely a consideration in the running. Either Linux Mint 19 Mate or Cinnamon, but either way, Linux Mint is going to stay in the running for now. Of course, in the next video, we're going to be taking a look at the other Linux Mint distribution, which if we just take a look at my folder over here, we see Linux Mint. We're going to be taking a look at the XFCE desktop. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.